Hello guys, welcome back. Today we are taking a look at Devloper Preview for Beta 3 on Redmi Note 5 Pro. This video is special for Redmi Note 5 Pro users. Like before, now we don't need to install Moki for vendor on Note 5 Pro. You can just install the vendor zip and after that the procedure is same. We are also taking a look at new features of Devloper Preview 4. So before we start, my name is Amy and you are watching Android Power. The Redmi Note 5 Pro becomes the first phone to support complete vault support and also the camera, Bluetooth, just everything is working fine on this phone. And this is the bugless phone with Android P semi GSI as of now. Now we are talking about features that are available for all phones in the Devloper Preview 4. So starting with the quick setting toggle, and if you drag it down, now they have added an outline theme in the icons. If you can see closely, the settings icon has now outline, looks like more cleaner than before. So pretty handy touch added by Google. And second is the animations of the launcher. The animations are the same, but if you can see slowly, the animations on the Devloper Preview 4 is now more cleaner. If you compared it with the Devloper Preview 3, it's now more cleaner and there is now no hiccup and it's sleeker than before, which is a very nice addition. And again, if you pay close attention to the nav bar, the nav bar has now updated. Now the back button is harder to see in the camera. If you want to switch apps from the pill, on the previous there was only a smaller area and now it's the whole nav bar. Now you can use the whole area to switch apps, which is pretty handy stuff I can say, and bit more easier to use and switch between all apps. Now again we are coming back to the launcher. If you go to launcher settings, then suggestions, now you have app actions on the suggestions. On the previous there is nothing like that. Android P has something like AI thinking which note down your actions. If you swipe up from the launcher, now it will show you app actions instead of app suggestions. Just like that the settings, it shows some stuff on the top. On the next, if you go to settings, all the icons have now updated by Google. They all have now outline theme. If you pay close attention to security icon, this is the one that are pretty much updated. Again, pretty nice touch by Google. Then if you go to sounds tab, now you have call volume separately, which will be available all the time. You can always adjust from there. On the previous we only have ringer and alarm volume. Now we have call volume 2 on the Devloper Preview 4. Then there is nothing much change when compared to Devloper Preview 3. The next change is also about the nav bar. Now it will give you a smaller little icon over here to switch it around. If you tap over here, now you can switch it around to another rotation. Even my rotation toggle is disabled. It will give me a button, so it's a nice thing again. The next big change is in the display. If you go to display, then scroll down, you will see an option called device theme. Now you can change the theme to dark and light. You can also set it based on your wallpaper. I have flashed pixel tweak for my Note 5 Pro, that's why it is blue. But the theme will apply to your launcher also, which is a nice addition in my opinion. On the last, if you go to system, now you are getting latest security patch of July. So that's it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed my work. Hit the like and subscribe button if you find it useful. Till then, I am signing off. Bye bye.